Now, welcome to the world of non-standard network configuration. We have some sort of standards, as we've seen with the file system, with systemd for managing services, but not in the world of networking. We have non-standards. If we're using enterprise Linux, then we use the network manager. In OpenSUSE, we use Wicked, and in Ubuntu, they have Netplan. The idea is that Netplan, it acts as an interface between ourselves and the network manager configuration. So why don't we dive out to our command line and discover some of the features of Netplan on our Ubuntu 24.04 system. In our glorious world of Ubuntu, Netplan acts as an interface between us and the actual network configuration. We're going to introduce some of the basic commands. So even as a standard user, I can run Netplan to look at its status. And this becomes a wonderful one-stop shop for a lot of our network configuration information. We can see that Netplan is online and managing our system. We've got information about our DNS search, our local interface, and ENS33. So this is a really great summary of our network configuration and certainly a good place to look. But if we carry on looking at some of the other Netplan commands, you're going to see that we're probably, for most of them, going to need to elevate our privileges. Even if I try and take a look at the IP leases, the DHCP information for ENS and 33, we can see that it says no lease found, but it's really due to a permissions problem that we're unable to open up the global configuration file. So with this then, we can go through and elevate our privileges, and using the double exclamation mark, we can repeat the complete previous command and all of its arguments. So sudo and bang bang, and now we can see that we've retrieved the IP address that was delivered to ENS33 via DHCP. But if I want to read the complete and combined configuration, I can go through and use sudo and netplan and get simply to retrieve the configuration. It is a YAML configuration, and we'll see more on the YAML file later, but this is the configuration as we have it at the moment. Currently, we're not going to change any of our configuration, but the really nice thing is that we have a safety switch. If I do change the configuration, rather than applying it, I can try to apply it. Now, what we really do here is that we do apply it, but only for 120 seconds. So if the network configuration doesn't work, I can't accept it. So it will revert after the 2 minutes timeout. Now, I haven't changed anything, so I'm just going to hit enter now. But the whole idea is that if I can hit enter, then our networking is still working. So this is really nice, a fantastic feature, and I love it. But we could avoid that safety feature and just use netplan apply. I'm not certain why we would do this, because now if I have made a configuration error and our networking is broken, I might have to drive into the office, and I don't want to do that.